In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a WooCommerce login and registration plugin using the Ultimate Member plugin. Whether you're just starting out with WordPress or looking to enhance your e-commerce site, having a seamless user registration process is essential. The Ultimate Member plugin is a fantastic tool that will help you create customizable, user-friendly login and registration forms for your site. I'll guide you step by step through the installation, setup, and customization process so you can create a professional registration system that fits your site's style and needs. Let's get started. To begin, log in to your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see the menu, which is where you'll be working for most of this tutorial. The first thing you need to do is click on Plugins. This is where all WordPress plugins are managed. Once you're in the Plugins section, you'll notice a button at the top of the page labeled Add New. Go ahead and click on that to open the plugin library. Now, in the search bar at the top right corner of the page, type in Ultimate Member. This is the plugin we'll be using to create your login and registration forms. When you find it in the search results, you'll see a button next to it that says Install Now. Click that button and WordPress will begin downloading and installing the plugin. This process might take a few moments, so be patient. Once the installation is complete, the button will change to say Activate. Click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. After activation, you'll notice that a new menu item called Ultimate Member has been added to the left-hand menu in your dashboard. Click on Ultimate Member to open the plugin's settings and options. From there, select Forms from the Ultimate Member menu. This is where you'll manage and customize your registration and login forms. You'll see a default registration form already created here. To edit this form, click on the Edit button next to it. This will open the form editor, where you can modify the fields and layout as needed. For example, you can add new fields by clicking on the Add Field button, remove unnecessary fields using the trash icon, or adjust the titles and appearance of specific fields to match your site's branding. Take a moment to make the form your own. Once you've finished customizing, don't forget to save your changes by clicking Update on the right-hand side of the screen. Next, it's time to assign the registration form to a specific page on your site. To do this, navigate to Settings under the Ultimate Member menu. Here you'll find a section labeled Pages. Use the drop-down menu to select the page where you'd like the registration form to appear after making your selection. Click Save Settings to confirm the changes. The next step is to customize the page where the registration form will actually be displayed. To do this, go to the Pages section in the left-hand menu of your WordPress dashboard. Find the page you assigned for registration. This might be a pre-existing page like Sample Page or a new one you've created. Click Edit to open the page editor. In the page editor, you'll need to insert the Ultimate Member registration form. To do this, click on the block options and select the Ultimate Member registration form block. This will embed the form directly onto the page. From here, you can also customize the layout and design of the page to make it visually appealing and cohesive with the rest of your site. Once you're happy with the changes, click Update to save your work. Now that everything is set up, it's time to test your registration page. Head over to your website and navigate to the page where the registration form is located. Try filling out the form as if you were a new user to ensure everything is working smoothly. If you encounter any issues, don't worry, you can always go back to the Ultimate Member settings to make adjustments. For example, under the Settings menu, you can fine-tune options like access restrictions or tweak the appearance of your forms. And that's it. You've successfully set up a WooCommerce login and registration system using the Ultimate Member plugin. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.